Hi, Eugenia here, and welcome to my Pushable product review. So what is Pushable all about? Pushable is a cloud-based software that will allow you to create push notifications on different browsers such as Chrome, Safari, and others. This will allow you to build your own list, and you will be able to promote your different offers for, affiliate marketing offers, etc. To your new subscribers. If this is something you're interested in, please continue watching, and in this video I will show you the sales page for the product. We will take a look at the demonstration video for the product, and I will also show you the upsells for the product and the pricing for the product as well. If at any time during this review you decide that you would like to purchase the product, please use the link below the video, and you will be able to purchase the product. You will be directed to this bonus page, and on this bonus page you just need to push on one of these green buttons and you will be directed to the sales page, and you will be able to purchase the product from there. But before we actually go to the sales page and the product itself, I wanted to show you the bonuses that you will be receiving from me and from the vendor as well if you decide to purchase the product today. So bonus number one from me is going to be free traffic frenzy. So this is just a little hack for you as an affiliate marketer that will explain to you how to get more traffic to your offers. Bonus number two is going to be $0 to $100 in 24 hours. So this is just a little explanation to you how people are making money online, and I hope you'll find it useful for yourself. Bonus number three is going to be Buyer's List Ninja. So this is basically the hack that's going to explain to you how to build your buyer's list. Then bonus number four is going to be turn Gmail into a bulk mailer. So this is the hack that's going to explain to you how to use Gmail to email your offers to your email list. And bonus number five is going to be all vendor bonuses. So let me show you 4 bonuses that the vendor is going to be providing to you if you decide to purchase the product today. So there's going to be 4 bonuses from the vendor as well. Bonus number one is going to be agency commercial reseller rights for the product. Bonus number two is going to be instant done for you website. Bonus number three is going to be instant done for you campaigns. And bonus number 4 is going to be video training for the course. So in my opinion, this is really good bonuses, so you might want to consider getting them as well. So right now let's actually go to the sales page. So this is how the sales page for the product looks. So the headline here says that it's a new Apple and Google tech for April 2022. And by the way, the product launched yesterday, April 8th, 2022. And it does say that the sale of the product is going to end on Tuesday. But I'm not sure how it's going to work, but we will actually get into pricing a little bit later, and I'll explain to you a little bit more about this. So the headline here, it says that it's a new one-click app blasts 3.6 billion buyers and makes $571 per day ClickBank commissions. So basically how this product works is that, you have a one-line code that you install on your website, and this installed code will be able to send push notifications to different browsers, and people will be seeing these notifications, and they will be able to click yes subscribe or no thank you. So if they click yes subscribe, they will be added to your list. And this is basically just like your email list, and after they add it to your list, you will be able to send them more push notifications with your affiliate offers, and this is how you will be able to monetize on this list. So basically the advantages of this solution over email marketing campaign is that you don't need such a long messages and emails like you're writing for emails, for email marketing. Here it's going to be a short message, and people will decide either to subscribe or not, and then they will be receiving your offers of the products. So here also on the sales page you will be able to see some sales video and also some benefits of the products. This is the browsers that are that you will be able to use this cloud-based software on. So this is Chrome, Android, Safari, Firefox, and Microsoft Edge. This is also like explains to you what you need to do. So you just basically need to log into the cloud-based app and create a new instant list. You need to launch an instant website that builds your list automatically, or as far as I can understand, you can also insert this on your existing website if you already have one. And then you send unlimited broadcasts and follow-ups to your new list. As far as I understand, Pushable is going to include some done-for-you campaigns that you can send to people as well. There is some also good information here. This is basically just like showing to you the comparison between the results. This is on the right hand side, the result for the push notification campaigns. As you can see, the conversion here was 14%. And this is on the left hand side, the results for the email campaign. The conversion was 7% there. There is also some, showing to you how they built in the list here, how you can track the subscribers. Let me see. There is also frequently asked questions on this page, so that you can go and look through those. Just wanted to show you. Let's see right here. So this is basically the list of the people who these campaigns can work for and why they're good for them. And there's also right here on the sales page, make sure you go and take a look at these videos. So this is basically going to be 20 plus videos that's going to explain to you how to monetize on these push notifications. And I think it's actually going to be really good for you to watch them. So this is basically the sales page, and again, you will be able to access this page by going to my bonus page right here. So go ahead and click the link down below this video. That's going to take you to my bonus page right here, and just click on one of these green buttons, and it's going to take you to the sales page that I just walked you through, and you will be able to look at all of this information at your own time. Right now, actually, let me put the demonstration video for the product, and then I will come back and explain to you about the prices and upsell.
Do you want to build a list of hungry buyers with a new cutting-edge lead technology that's 10 times more powerful than email? This new list building technology gets up to 300% more opens than email, drives up to 1,000% more clicks than email, uses messages that are 10 times faster to write than email, doesn't require an autoresponder, squeeze page, or lead magnet. And best of all, you can't be banned or booted off by anyone, ever. Oh, and you can also add your email leads to this new list technology too. Now, you're probably wondering, how does this work? And how you can start building a buyer list without email today. So here goes. Hi, I'm Chris, and I've been marketing online since 2005. Since then, I've built email lists with millions of people. But I always felt like there was something missing, because email has some big problems. Tell me if this sounds familiar. As an email marketer, you need to worry about creating lead magnets, designing squeeze pages, spending thousands on autoresponders, the techie side of collecting leads, the hours it takes to write out emails, struggling to get opens and clicks, and worst of all, the constant fear that you might get banned by an autoresponder at any time and for any reason. So all your hard work evaporates in seconds in a cloud of smoke. Ugh. No wonder 95% of marketers know they should be list building, but less than 1% do it. So what's the solution? A brand new technology I just discovered called push notifications. Push is a game changer, but a few people even know it exists, and here's why. Now, you might have seen notifications on your phone. You know, those little pop-up messages you get. But did you know you can also send push notifications inside your web browser? In fact, thousands of savvy marketers are already doing it. That's because it plain works. And best of all, it's so easy to do. You simply add one line of code to your website, and when people click yes to sign up, they're subscribed in one click. And from then on, you can send unlimited free push notifications right to their browser instantly. Now, here's how these push messages look. Pretty cool, right? You can include a text headline and subheadline, plus 2 big images. These notifications really stand out. Just look at how they appear on Chrome, the biggest browser. They literally pop up and take half the screen, which is why we're getting results like this with Push. Now, there are plenty of push notification services out there, but they aren't cheap, with many of them starting at $49 or even $97 per month. That's almost $600 to $1,200 a year just for the most basic plan. So we know Push is the future, but how can the little guy compete and start building a profitable push list today? And do it with affiliate marketing, digital products, e-commerce, blogging, SEO, social, video, local marketing, or list building. Well, today, the answer is here. Now here's how it works. Step 1. First, we create our embed code, and we paste it onto our website. Now, whenever someone visits our website, they get an opt-in message. This. Anyone who clicks yes gets instantly subscribed to our list. And yes, this works on Chrome, Firefox, Safari, and Edge. And yes, you can start building a push list from any website or blog your own. Or you can use my pre-created website templates. Simply copy your embed code, paste it into the website template, click download. Then upload your new design to your website, or use my Push Pages software to create an instant self-hosted website for the fastest setup. And that's it. You now have a pre-created website preloaded with your push code, ready to build leads on day 1. Step 2. Set up a follow-up sequence. Just like with my email autoresponder, you will want to welcome your new leads. And that's where the follow-up sequence comes in. Your messages are sent exactly 24 hours from when the customer subscribed, so they work with your subscriber's time zone for the best opens and clicks. Step 3. Broadcast. Now you're sending autoresponder messages to your new leads. It's time to send broadcast messages. Broadcast instantly, at any time, to any list. So, can you see how easy this is? It's the fastest way to collect buyer leads using the power of Push. So you can build a list and send messages with a higher deliverability, higher opens, and more clicks than email. Can you see how new and different this technology is? Building a list has never been this exciting. So, are you ready to take your list building to the next level? Click on the button to get started. You'll then be taken to the order page. Fill out your information on this page and then confirm your payment. Nothing could be simpler. Now is your chance. You can't wait on this. Do it right away so you can start building your list using this new technology. Okay, this video is ending now, so sign up. I guess I'll see you on the inside.
So hopefully you like the demonstration video of the product and you understand right now a little bit better, how it works and what it will be able to achieve for you. Right now, let's take a look at the prices and upsells for this product. So as you can see, there's going to be a front-end version of the product and there's going to be 5 upsells. Of course, upsells are completely optional and you can just decide to go with the front-end version. So the front-end version of the Pushable is going to be $15.15, but it may increase to $23 as far as I understand, just because the price is going to increase after for a little bit after the launch. The launch, again, I'll remind you, it was on the April 8th of 2022. And also with the front end, you are going to be limited, I believe, to the number of people you will be able to have on your list or something like that. So in the future, if you actually like using the Pushable, you might need to purchase, if you decide to purchase front end, you will then need to purchase upsell number 1 because it's going to be an unlimited edition and it's going to be extra $67. Or you actually can decide to choose and go with unlimited edition, from the beginning. And so as you can see here, it will unlock for you unlimited leads, broadcasts, follow-ups, traffic, and agency rights. So I believe in the front-end version, you're going to be limited to all of these features. Also, upsell number 2 is going to be done for your edition and it's going to be $197. You will be able to get the vendors team to set everything up for you. So they will, configure your Pushable account and all of the Pushable notification sequences as well. Then upsell number 3 is going to be $97. It's a pure edition, so you will be able to unlock even more done for you campaigns. And this time you will have 100% commission setup, and you will be able to promote all of the vendors' products as well. Upsell number 4 is going to be done for your website, and it's going to be $197. With this upsell, so they will be able to do for you content for your website, and all you will need to provide to them is your affiliate ID. And upsell number 5 is going to be Mega Bundle Edition for $97. With this upsell, you will be able to get access to an insane 37 software tools, and hopefully it's also gonna make your life a little bit easier. This product does have 180 days money back guarantee, so if for some reason you decide that you don't like it, you can always get your money back. But again, all of these upsells are optional, and if you just decide to go with the front-end version for now and see if you like it, that's totally up to you. In my opinion, this is actually a great way to build your list, especially if you're just starting with affiliate marketing. And in my opinion, it's actually going to help you increase your sales and help you promote your products a little bit easier in the beginning. And again, if you decide to purchase the product from the link below this video, you are going to be getting all of my bonuses. It doesn't matter if you purchase any upsells or if you just purchase the front end version of the product. And I think this is it for this review. Thank you very much for watching my Pushable review. Please give me a like if you liked this review. Otherwise, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.